Alright guys, we're looking good here at Born Free 11, and this is the biggest chopper fest in the world, and just look around, man. These are the top 10 builders that build bikes, and then they get raffled off at the end. I'll show you some of these bikes. What a cool show, man. I so cannot believe I'm here, man. This place rocks. I've got live bands on. We're going to go and see the half pipe soon. Van's got a half pipe, and it's looking good. What a cool place to be. I don't know what you guys are doing on a Saturday afternoon, but I'm here. I'm living the dream here. Just wait till we get around when the half pipe guys start, and then see what happens on today. I'm having fun anyway. Oh man, look at this. I mean, I've just got to turn this around and look at this. How cool is that, man? That is going to be the coolest thing in the world right now. Can you imagine riding that? That is just cool ass, man. Unbelievable. Let's get another wee walk around here so we can see a bit more. And look at this old Henderson. Absolutely cool. Let's have a wee look around more. This rocks, man. This is actually rocks. Get halfway around the world to come and see this, and it's just, honestly, man, so blessed to come here. It's living the dream. Absolutely living the dream. Look at this. I just hope this GoPro is good at taking some of the detail in on these things. These things are amazing, man. Look at this. These are the top 10 bikers from all around the world come here to, and what you do, you win it. I bought a raffle ticket for it anyway. I don't know what I'm going to do if I win it. If I win the bike, I ain't coming home tomorrow night. I'm going to stay a couple more days and try and figure out what to do. So, what do you say? I'm one of these guys that never wins anything, so I've got a funny feeling I might win this, but this is what I paid $25 for a ticket to win. I mean, look at these old bikes, man. These things rock. Cool ass, isn't it? You see this little window, oh, man. So we're going to be walk around here, try and get on that wall of death, but it's like queued out the door, and hopefully get around to the skateboarding bit soon, okay? Alright, catch you all later, man.